Git Revert is a very powerful command that you can use to undo changes in a project, and we're going to see how it works. So on your master branch, if you see this green circle, it means that you have to pull some changes. So go ahead and do that if you want. Right there, you can do it from the terminal or from the Git GUI. Okay. And here it's going to pull our changes. It can't access our Git repo anymore, which is fine. After doing that again, we were able to pull our changes. And now we're going to create another branch from master. Okay, so that we can make a change and have it pulled into master. Okay, so let's create a branch, for example, test new revert, for example. Okay, there you go. You're at this new branch right now. And after that, you can go ahead and make a change right here. You can write change to revert, and in your strings file, you can just add a new string for revert, and just write it like that if you want. Okay, this will simulate a change in our main activity file and our strings.xml file. Okay, after that, go ahead and add commit, for example, change to revert, and after that, go ahead and push your changes, okay, into this branch. After that, you can check out to master. This branch is called test new revert. So let's check out to master and pull from this branch, okay, into master. This will be our branch. So go ahead and click on pull. Here you can see that change and here as well, okay. Let's say for any reason you want to undo this change, okay, but you don't really want to break the other code in your project, and you don't want to alter the history of your Git right there. Okay, so you still want to see that commit message, but you want to have another commit to undo this change. Okay, and that's what revert does. So right there, you can right click on this commit and just click on revert commit. Okay, it's really that easy. So go ahead and click on this option. Okay, and as you can see, just as simple as that, you have a new commit called revert change to revert. Okay, and what happened here was a new commit was created to delete the change that happened inside main activity and the strings.xml file. Okay, it didn't delete our change to revert commit from our history, which is optimal because in a real world project, you wouldn't really want to alter your Git history. Okay, you want to leave it at that. And the best way to undo a change is with Git Revert, because the commit will stay there, and instead of deleting that commit, another commit will be made with the inverse of those changes. Okay, so here, after we added those two lines and wrote that comment, a new commit happened which removed those two lines. Okay, if I click on revert change to revert right there, as you can see, that's what happened. Okay, those two lines of code were removed with a new commit. And the same thing for our strings.xml file. As you can see, a new commit was made with removing the string. Okay, that's how the git revert command works with Android. Okay, you can also do this in your terminal. Okay, and for that, you would just need one thing. Okay, so go to the commit that you want to revert. In my case, I want to revert the revert that I made. Okay, and you're going to see what happens after that. So here, this is our latest commit, which reverted these changes. Okay, by removing that code from the main activity and the strings files. Okay, so go ahead into this commit, click on it, and go right click, copy revision number. Okay, you would need that, and in your terminal, clear if you want, and after that, write git revert. After that, copy and paste that revision number, and after that, you would write dash dash no dash commit. Okay, just like that. Click on enter, and as you can see, those changes are back in your main activity and your strings file as well. But the difference, if you write git status, these files are now modified, and you can attach a new commit message to those changes, okay, after doing that revert, which is really what you want, okay? Instead of having a commit message like this, for example, what you can do is git commit retrieve changes, okay? And here we have retrieved our changes. Click on git push again, and there our changes are pushed to Git for this branch. If I now go to my Git tab right there, you will see that you have a new commit for retrieve changes, okay? And that really lets you customize any revert operation that you want to do, if you need that. Okay, so you can do a revert from the Git GUI right there, and you can do it from the terminal if you want, okay? And inside the terminal, you can use this no commit command so that you can specify a custom commit message for this revert. Okay. What will happen to our other branches when we make a revert on this master branch? The answer is nothing. Okay. Let's revert our last commit, which we made right there, with revert commit directly. Okay. Our changes are removed again. Now we have, we can push our changes to master. Let's go ahead and do that. Now our changes are pushed. But if I go back to my test new revert branch, as you can see, the changes will remain there. And that's really an added value with Git Revert. Okay, you will only see those changes as if you're making a normal commit. Okay, because that commit happened on our master branch and we didn't pull those changes yet. The changes remained on our test new revert branch. Okay, now if I pull from master, as you can see, I'm pulling changes from origin, and the changes are no longer there. Okay, because they were reverted, and I pulled that revert from my master branch. Okay. If you like my type of content and you find it to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.